Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, October 31st, and happy Halloween to you all. Hey, I just want to kind of cover some stuff here today. We didn't do a daily market report yesterday, primarily because I was having some difficulties getting the information as some of the websites I went to were down. I maybe due to Sandy or not, I'm not certain. But both markets were also closed yesterday. Both the bond and stock market were closed yesterday, so we didn't really have any numbers to give out. Just a couple economic, actually just one economic news release, which I'll cover that today. So to start off with, on Monday, I missed apparently the place I usually go to Market Watch didn't cover this, which I found out PCE prices, which is this is the core. This is the personal consumption expenditure, and this is important primarily because this is an inflationary number that the Fed, basically this is the Fed's favorite inflationary gauge here. So basically, it showed a 0.1% growth for the month of August, and we figured we would keep the same for September, and it was for September, so it came in at forecast. Now, yesterday we had the S&P's Case-Shiller Home Price Index. So back in July, we had a nice increase of about 1.6, and it came. It was still up, but not as high in August. So the fire kind of tempered down a little bit in August for home prices. Now, for today, we have the employment cost index for the third quarter, and we had a 0.5% initial index there, and basic came in, or the previous one, I'm sorry, this is actually the for Q2, and for Q3 came down a little bit to 0.4 is where that was. And then we also have the Chicago PMI, which is the manufacturing in the Chicago region for the month of October. So we have contraction. Remember, anything below 50 it shows contraction. So contraction in the month of September, 49.7, and still contracted a little bit, but not as dramatic. So slight improvement, but still showing contraction for the month of October for manufacturing. Now we'll jump over to the headline news, and basically we got stock market's down. A lot of it had to do with different various of stocks out there, like the insurance companies like Travelers, Allstate, are down due to the damage that's being done from Hurricane Sandy. Also, some other ones for reconstruction efforts. On the positive side, those stocks are going up once you get those reconstructions underway. So where there's a negative, there's a positive. So you just have to kind of look for the positive. And our hearts go out to our friends and family and the people on the East Coast may have suffered through Hurricane Sandy. Hopefully, most people survived. And good thing is that we're a strong country. There are strong people out there, and we know they'll get through it. So our hearts out to you guys. Our prayers are with you guys, and we hope everything goes well for you folks. All right, so let's go ahead and jump over at the bond market, see what rates are doing today. Since both markets are up today, we have a little bit of a gap here as we saw because neither were open. So we have a nice improvement here. If you remember, on Monday, we were only open for about 3 hours, so was up a slight improvement from 104.69. I think it left off to 104.75, and it was a zero gain, so it just kind of stayed there. Today we are up 3 basis points. We're at 104.84, so we have a nice improvement in the interest rates here from where we left off last Friday, actually. So we're starting to see some signs of improvement for the interest rates here. All right, folks. Thanks again, and our best wishes to everybody on the East Coast that may have went through Hurricane Sandy. We hope your life gets back to normal very quickly, and speedy recovery to you folks. And again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. And if you guys like to see these videos on a daily basis, just stop by mikesdailymarketreport.com. There's an upper right-hand corner. You'll notice a feed burner. You can just subscribe there. So every time when I upload one of these videos there, you'll have it sent to your email directly. Have a great day.